Ever wondered how fast a sneeze is? Brace yourself. When you sneeze, air can rush out of your nose at a whopping 100 miles per hour. That's faster than most cars on the motorway. But wait, it gets even cooler. A single sneeze can produce up to 40,000 tiny droplets, and these droplets can travel up to 26 feet. So, next time you feel a sneeze coming on, grab that tissue quick. Now here's a fun twist. Did you know that sneezes have a unique sneeze signature? Just like fingerprints, no two sneezes sound exactly the same. Crazy, right? So, whether you're a dainty sneezer or you unleash a mighty achoo, remember, you're part of a fascinating scientific phenomenon. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this mind-blowing fact, hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing science tidbits.